Hi everyone, welcome to A Leaf to Live. My name is Christina. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I make travel videos and today I wanted to talk to you about what I pack when I travel. As you may know, if you've seen my previous video, I am currently on holiday in Croatia and it's nearing the end of my trip. I wanted to tell you guys sort of what I do to travel light. And especially in the summer months, it is particularly easier for me because, you know, I can just wear crop tops and shorts and it doesn't take too much space. Without further ado, I'm going to show you what my backpack looks like. Yes, that's right, I travel with a small backpack. It looks like this. It's really small. I'm even surprised myself. And I'm just gonna empty it out and like show you, like pack it all up to show you that it actually, like everything that I have with me fits inside of this, okay? So let's begin. As well as packing with you today, I'm going to give you some important and useful tips that you may want to adapt on your next trip. First thing is roll your clothes, okay? This is a very, very useful tip. Another really useful thing that I used when I backpacked around Southeast Asia last year. Yes, I do talk about my Southeast Asia trip in every single video and you're gonna keep hearing about it for quite some time because it's a trip that shaped me in many ways and I learned a lot from. In that trip, I got some packing cubes that I don't have with me today, but I will link down in the description to show you what it looks like. If you're interested, you can buy some for yourself as well. And I think they're really useful for packing everything compactly and minimizing the space that you use in your luggage. Because I traveled from a colder country to Croatia, which is very hot in the summer, I brought with me long jeans that I only used on the plane, which is a shame because it takes a lot of space. I'm not really going to show you how to fold clothes because I'm not the best person to do that, but you know, Marie Kondo style, something like maybe you can like put them like this. Or what I do, your clothes are pretty wrinkly if you do this, but it actually saves a lot of space is just to roll them like this, right? Just like that. And then put them at the very bottom of the backpack because, yeah, because I'm not really using them. So sometimes if I'm staying somewhere for not that long, I don't really feel like emptying the whole backpack out and I just take things from the very top. So that helps. I also brought a jumper or sweater and a jacket with me because as I said, I was traveling from a colder country. I haven't worn those either because here is really hot. So I have this jumper here, which is pretty annoying because I've just had to like carry around and they don't fit in my bag. I kind of cheated in a sense because these two items don't fit in my bag. Normally I tie them around my waist, but it gets really hot when I'm walking around, so I just put them in a separate bag. So I'm just gonna chuck them because they don't fit in the bag, so there we go. I also packed 4 pairs of shorts. So I have 2 denim shorts, 1 and 2. So let's roll them up like the way I explained before, so just rolling them up like this. And then same this one, rolling them up like that. If you just roll them up like that, they fit in nicely in the backpack. They're all sort of like that in the very bottom of the backpack. I also packed the shorts that I'm wearing right now and another pair of shorts, which is this black pair, which I'm also going to roll and put at the bottom of the backpack. I packed, I think it was 9 tops in total. It's easy because as you can see, it's just like crop tops like this one. So yeah, for instance, these little things don't take a lot of space. So, and it actually helps that they're just like t-shirt material like, because if they get wrinkled, it's not so bad. You know, I've been staying in a few places where they have clothing irons, but you don't really want to do that when you're on holiday. Hence why the only dress that I brought is really, really wrinkly. And I also brought this top, which is like a nicer top, but it actually is so wrinkly that I didn't even wear it. So you could say I overpacked. It's obviously wrinkly if you roll it like this, right? But yeah, I just thought I would iron it at some point, but I didn't. So it's just been in my bag. 9 tops in total. I also brought a dress which looks like this. I wore it once, but it's really wrinkly. Like, it's the only slightly fancy item of clothing that I brought. Besides that other shirt that I didn't wear, that's the only two. But yeah, so it's sort of rolled. I don't want to like roll it too much because I don't want to damage it. I just have like sports bras for when it's really hot and I'm like hiking somewhere and I don't really feel like wearing a tighter top like this one. These sports bras are not restrictive at all, so it's really comfortable. So just these 3. And then I also have like socks and underwear that I have. I don't really know how many. I also brought like quite a few microfiber towels for my face, which I didn't really use because they have plenty in the places that I've been staying at. It's been a bit of a waste of space in that sense. I also have a pair of flip-flops for the beach, pajama dress, bathing suit, and just miscellaneous things. I also have a bag of like dirty clothes, like dirty laundry. I then have my wallet. I didn't bring my money belt with me on this trip. I also have this little box with my retainers, face cream, and just like a razor. And then I have this little bag that I just use as a handbag when I'm out and about. Folds nicely. A belt, my toothbrush. I have this little hand cleansing gel, so like hand disinfectant. I also have face masks. I have these earplugs that I haven't used yet, but you know, it doesn't take much space. Then I have this little bag that carries some of my jewelry. I haven't worn any of it. I think I wore like a ring once. Earphones, my camera charger and my camera, which I am filming with right now. I also have an adapter from UK to EU, but I don't have it here right now. I think I left it downstairs. Hair comb and sunglasses. There we go. My power bank as well, very useful. I think I left my iPhone charger somewhere else as well. I have my phone, the sun hat as well. These things I can just carry on me. What else am I missing? I think that's mostly it. Just my shoes. These are very dirty, but these are the only shoes that I brought besides my flip-flops. So I've been wearing the same shoes basically every day. But they match with everything, so I don't see that as a problem. A hair tie. I thought I brought more, but yeah, I only have that one. So let's close it up. So that's me, actually. Oh, I forgot my glasses, actually. So yes, that's me. I have my stuff in my backpack. My jacket, my jumper, my backpack, my sun hat, and my shoes. And yeah, that's it really. I'm ready to go. So this is genuinely all I'm bringing with me. It looks so much bigger now that it's full. I'm just thinking, is there something obvious that I've missed? You could say yes, things like shampoo and suntan lotion and shower gel and toothpaste, all those things I just buy when I'm here. So yeah, obviously I do have those things that I can just fill up in another bag. It's just like the main essentials that I'm just bringing with me from home, and I'm leaving Croatia and going home to is in this backpack, and all the other items that I buy here that I'm just going to use here, I'm just going to leave behind. So this is 2 weeks. I hope you find this video interesting. I can't wait to put together all of the footage that I have from this trip. It might take me a while because I have a huge backlog of footage from last year that I want to put together, and there's lots of stuff going on, but I'll come to you at some point. I hope you are all making the most of your summer given the circumstances. I hope you're all keeping safe, And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to add that the reason why I love packing light is because when I go somewhere, I love exploring the area and seeing different towns or cities within that region. And so like lugging around a huge piece of luggage, for me it's really, really uncomfortable. And I think that just traveling like as lightly as possible is such a relief. And you don't feel tied to a particular place because you're thinking in the back of your head, oh my god, I have to move all of my things. If you don't have that many things with you, you're much freer. So yes, that's more or less why I love packing light. And yeah, I encourage you to do the same, try it out and see if it is for you. If not, it's totally okay. But yeah, personally I think that it's amazing. So I just wanted to make this video for you today. Thanks for watching.